Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different. My sister, who is overseas, sent me a box of goodies. Now I haven't actually said anything but on my YouTube channel anyway, but I actually started making my own jewelry, which I found during lockdown, I think. I can't remember when, but anywho, it's been a couple of months now that I've been making my own jewelry, like earrings and bracelets and stuff. I've got some here, so I'll show you guys. Like, I made this bracelet, which is like a magnetic clasp, and it's just got like these, I don't know, would you say magenta beads, I guess. And then I also do lobster claw clasps as well, and then there's like a baby blue beading, which I think this is really pretty. And then I've also done like on gold, I don't know if you can see that, just done that on gold with yellow, and then like a clear one. But yeah, so she sent me a bunch of stuff that she had that I can use to make jewelry that she doesn't use anymore. So I'm really excited to see what she sent me. So let's go ahead and open it. So she's packed it really good. Oh, got some of this to protect it. Oh my goodness, it looks like there's heaps of stuff in here. Okay, so this is what is, you can see how deep this box is, and it's like packed with stuff. Like, look, packed right to the top. So she really sent me a lot of stuff. Thank you, because I know she will be watching this video too. So we have a bunch of stickers that say made with love and thank you. So that's really nice, and I like the gold. It's got some just gold stickers as well. Very cool. Then we've got another bunch of thank you stickers with flowers all on them. I think these are all, yeah, all, so like a big bunch of them she sent me. Okay, she also sent me this. I don't know what this is. Some of the stuff I'm gonna have to like call her and ask her. I think, no, I'm not too sure what this is, but it's like a stand of some sort maybe. I'm not really sure. I'll have to ask her. Oh, and we've got some lovely ribbon. That's nice. I like that. Then we have, uh-oh, looks like some of this like came out. Oh no, didn't go too much, but there's like some pink, there's like powders in here. This one didn't spill luckily, but you can see it's like blue powder, and the pink one did spill, but not too much. Majority of it looks like it's still in the container, so that's all right. We'll I might just put this to one side so I can go through it later. Cool. What do we have next? Oh, okay, next we have pearl powdered pigment. That's a nice color. I don't know if you guys can just see, just there. She's packaged it really nice as well, so that's good. Then we've got some, oh, keychains. Some keychains. What are these? Oh, there's some pencils. Nice. Then we've got, oh, these are earring cards. I was like, what are these? But I don't know if you can see, like just there's two little holes for if you're putting the earrings on. That's cool. Oh, cute. There's like this little case. How do you open it? Wait, why can't I? Oh, there you go. It's like you have to click it. It's a cute little case to like store stuff in. Cute. Okay, then we have a bunch of, so there's glitter, fine glitter, and then some beads, and then some of these I think these might be the Swarovski flatback jewels. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure that's what that is. And then there's like a nail tool there that you can use to stick it on. Okay. Oh, then we have, oh, this is cute. It's like a, oh, is this, I don't want to take it off, but it's like little birds. I feel like this is a particular type of bird, but I don't know. I can't tell. I feel like it's meant to be a particular type of bird. Not a woodpecker. I'm just looking at its nose. I don't think it's a woodpecker. But anyway, that's cute. Okay, what do we have next? Oh, I could use this to make earrings. I love this. So these are like little heart, like charms, I guess. You can like use it to make a bracelet, earrings. I could do like a bracelet, earrings, necklace set. That's so cute. I love that. Okay, then we've got, oh wow, this is so pretty. Again, bracelet, earring, necklace. So what is, it doesn't actually say what it is, but I would say it's like, I don't know, I'm getting strawberry vibes. I know it's not like strawberry colored or anything, but just by the look of it, it just reminds me of like a strawberry, the shape and the top of it. So that's really cute. Oh, I love that. Oh, okay, and then we have like some of these random I don't know, like sequins and beads, I guess you can call it. That's cool. Okay, then we have got some syringes. So these are just to, when you want to use like resin or whatever, you can put it in the syringe and then use that if you want to get into a tiny space, I guess. I don't know. I know some people use syringes as well that for the people that make lip glosses, so they use that, but they normally use like bigger syringes. And then we have some dotting tools, which I really needed because I didn't mean to buy some, but I forgot, and luckily here's some dotting tools. Okay, then we've got some eye pins, I guess. Yeah, they're not the traditional eye pins with like the round bit. These ones just have like the ball on the end, but I'd still call that an eye pin. Oh, cute. These are like little again, I don't know what you would call this, but it's like beading caps, I guess. Like oh, eyes beading, oh, I don't know, I might have to check some of the stuff. I'll have to check with my sister just to be sure, because like she she knows more about it than I do. I think this is just a chain. Yeah, this looks like it's just a chain, like a bracelet, so that could be like a or a necklace or chain there. Oh, cute. Okay, these are just some little bottles that you can like store oh, excuse me, something in my throat. You can store like glitters or the powders or whatever, so that's nice. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. So I don't know if you can tell, but they're like those flat back, I don't think these are Swarovski, they might be, I don't know, but like little jewels. Oh, those are so pretty. I love it. Okay, Oh, we have some more stickers. Cool. So these are, oh, they're like animal stickers. That one's like a rabbit and a bird, and this one's like a sheep. I don't know. I want to say it's a sheep. I'm not 100% sure, but that's how it's looking there. The rabbit and the thing, and then I think I'll turn around. Is it? I don't know why, but I feel like it's a Tamagotchi character. I remember playing Tamagotchi and I used to have one that looked like that. I don't think it is though. Ooh, this is nice. This is like a, it says nail art. It's got like Mickey Mouse, love hearts, stars, music notes, unicorn, triangle, crescent, stars, butterflies, squares. So nice. And look at it, it's like holographic. Ooh, pretty. Let's put this onto this side. Oh, one of the bottles came out. Okay, I don't know where it came out from, but we'll just put that to one side. Okay, next up we have, oh, is this tape? I think this might be tape, but I'm not 100% sure. But this is what it looks like. I want to say it's tape because you can see on the inside. What does it say? I don't know if that says, but I'm going to say it's tape. Alright, next up we have, oh, something that's like completely wrapped up or secretive. So let's try and open this. Ah, these are those, I don't know how you say them properly. Chabotchin. I don't know how you say it, but it's like CHABA BACHONS. I can't remember. I do know. Yeah. That's cute. Okay. We have another secretive one here. So we'll have a look to see. Oh, okay. These are the same, but bigger. So there they are. Nice. Right. Okay, next up we have got, oh, I believe this is some resin. The part A and part B. Yay. Oh, I cannot wait to start making some resin items. So there's part A and then this is part B. So I will just need to check with my sister and look online and stuff because I've not used it before. I think she has. Oh, some more chain. Some more chain. Okay, then I've got some molds. Oh, this is cool. This looks like coaster molds, I guess. Yeah. So, and it's silicone, so it's really soft as well, silicone-y. I would say that's a coaster mold. Yeah, you could put a drink in that. Oh, speaking of molds, we have some more. We've got a love heart mold. This is nice because I actually can make earrings with this. I just would need to drill a hole down first to be able to attach the or even like key rings. I could make key rings, and yeah, but that's exciting. Oh, this is cute. It's a paw print mold. It's got a little love heart. I love this so much. It's so cute. Oh, adorbs. Absolutely adorbs. All right, and then lastly, I think this is just more resin, but maybe UV. Oh yes, UV. Yes, I think this is UV resin. Yeah, but yes, that is all that I have that she sent me. That is a lot of stuff, and I'm so thankful. So to my sister, I know you are watching. Thank you so much, and keep an eye out. I will probably start posting some more of me making my jewelry and stuff, or at least my finished products. But yeah, I am very, very excited to make some new creations. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you liked or what you thought was interesting. I'm excited to use it all, but yes, anyway, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.